Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from your bank account to MasterCard in 2025. With the latest advancements in banking tech, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're sending money for online shopping or everyday expenses, I'll guide you through it step by step. First off, ensure your bank account and MasterCard are compatible for transfers. Most modern banks support direct links, but if not, you might use a trusted intermediary like a payment app. Step 1. Open your bank's mobile app or website and log in securely. Make sure you're on a trusted device to protect your info. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually easy to find in the menu. Step 3. If your MasterCard isn't already linked, add it by entering the card details like the number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Step 4. Select the amount you want to transfer, choose your bank account as the source, and specify your MasterCard as the destination. You'll see any fees up front, so keep an eye on those. Step 5. Review the transaction details, confirm with any required verification like a one-time code sent to your phone, and hit Submit. In 2025, many transfers happen almost instantly, but it could take up to a few hours depending on your bank. A quick tip: always monitor your accounts for unauthorized activity and use strong passwords. That's it, you're all set. If you follow these steps, transferring money will be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below.